How to practice English at home. If you want to speak English confidently but don't know how to practice at home, in this video is just for you. Today I will tell you 7 powerful ways to practice English every single day right from your home. Let's start. First, practice speaking every day. First and most important, speak every day. Even if no one is there to talk with you, talk to yourself in English. For example, I am cooking rice. Now I will clean the table. You can also record your voice describing your day. Use a mirror and speak for 2-3 minutes on any topic. For example, today I woke up at 6, then I went for a walk. If possible, join English WhatsApp or Telegram group and talk with other learners. Remember, the more you speak, the faster you improve. Point number 2. Build your vocabulary. Next, learn new word daily. Just 5 to 10 words are enough if you use them in sentence. For example, word admire meanings to respect or like. Sentence: I admire my teacher. Write new word in a notebook. Use sticky notes at home. Label your door, mirror or bottle. Point number 3. Improve your writing. Writing helps you think in English. Start a daily English diary. Write 3 to 5 sentences about your day. For example, today was a great day because I learned new English words. You can also write short stories or social media posts in English. And there's a smart tips. Rewrite your WhatsApp message in English before you send them. Point number 4. Listen to English every day. To speak well, you must listen more. Watch short YouTube clips, cartoons or English news. Listen to podcasts or songs and try to repeat what they say. This technique is called shadowing. Repeat after the speaker. It improves your pronunciation naturally. Some good channels are BBC Learning English, English with Lucy, Speak English with Mr. Duncan, and Learn English by GBSir. Point number 5. Read every day. Reading helps you understand English naturally. Start with children's stories, short articles or dialogues. Read aloud. This improves your pronunciation and confidence. You can also read the Hindu student edition or other simple English newspapers online. Point number 6. Grammar practice the smart way. Don't just memorize grammar rules, understand them through example. For example, rules: use am, is, are with present tense. I am a student. He is happy. They are friends. After learning a rule, make your own sentence. That's how you will remember it forever. Point number 7. Be consistent. Practice daily. Finally, be regular. Make a simple daily plan like this. Time activity: 7 a.m. Listen to English for 10 minutes. 1 p.m. Learn 5 new words. 7 p.m. Speak in front of a mirror. 9 p.m. Write diary in English. If you follow this routine for just 30 days, your English will surely improve. So friends, these were the 7 best ways to practice English at home. Remember, small daily practice leads to big result. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Learn English by GBSir. In the next video, I will show you day 1 English speaking practice with real examples. So don't miss it. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep growing.